Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I will be sharing one of my church makeup look. And I would say this is one of my favorite church makeup look. And of course, I will be using Beauty Glaze Mix and Match eyeshadow palette. And guys, lahat ng gagamitin ko, ilalagay ko sa description box. So without further ado, let's start this video. To start with, never forget to prep your skin. And as for me, before applying makeup, dalawang serum po yung ginagamit ko. Yung isa sa Nature Republic, which is yung Snail Serum for anti-aging. And my second serum is from Lux Organic White Repair Serum. And of course, this is to brighten my uneven skin tone. At para mas lalong maganda yung lapat ng makeup ko sa mukha ko. And by the way guys, tips nga pala ha. Kapag nag-skincare ka, hayaan mo munang matuyo yung mga skincare mo bago mo i-apply yung susunod na skincare product. Para hindi mag-cake yung foundation or yung base makeup mo. Now, after serum, next ko is moisturizer. I am using Snail Soothing Gel from Lux Organics. And this time, ito lang yung product na hindi ko pinapatuyo kaagad-agad. Kasi ito din yung product na ginagamit ko pang slide ng gua sha sa mukha ko. So, yung purpose kasi ng gua sha para sa akin, to promote blood circulation and bas nagigising ako kapag minamassage ko yung face. Bukod doon, it brings my natural blush on my skin. And sa pakiramdam ko, parang mas nagiging youthful yung mukha ko. And lastly, syempre, nalilift niya yung face ko. And as you see guys, nag-add na rin ako ng video kung paano ko ginagawa yung gua sha before applying makeup. And actually, baliktad yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng paggamit ko ng gua sha kasi dapat mauuna muna sa may noo pababa. Kaya magkakaroon ako ng separate video on how to do a gua sha. Isa pang tip sa pag-apply ng gua sha or paggamit ng gua sha, always make sure na yung mukha mo is basa or merong gel to glide your gua sha. Kasi pag dry yung mukha mo tapos gumamit ka ng gua sha, ay dahil imbes na mag-lift yung skin mo sa face is mas lalo siyang magsasag kasi magkukos ng friction. And yun yung dapat mong iwasan mangyari. And by the way, maraming style ng gua sha tools and I will share it on my next video. After skin prep, i-remove ko yung excess skin product sa kilay ko using Clean Spoolie in preparation for my eyebrow makeup. And for my eyebrow, I will be using EC&Co Eyebrow Pencil Trio in the shade brown. Pero ilalagay ko yung actual shade niya sa description box kasi nakalimutan ko. Yung ginawa kong pagkikilay dito, nag-outline muna ako saka finelapan. Then sinunod ko mag-hair stroke. After kilay, maglalagay na ako ng primer. In this video, I will be using this combo from CC. So, I apply first the primer, yung color green. This color corrector primer really brighten your skin. Maganda siya panimula. Next, concealer, same from CC. So, I do conceal my under eyes. I am also using concealer as my eyeshadow primer. Highlight my nose, my forehead, yung gilid ng ilong at bibig ko, pati sa my chin. I also use concealer para linisin yung aking kilay. Actually, napapaisip ako, parang mas maganda concealer na lang, walang foundation. I also added red blush to conceal my under eyes. Then, contour cream. Both are from Careline. And obviously, I am doing underpainting makeup. Underpainting technique will make your makeup long-lasting on your face. And this technique is my all-time favorite kapag ako ay mag-church or may special occasion. After applying those cream products on my face, syempre, sunod na dito is to brush it all. Now, to brush your contour cream, girl, pat-pat lang siya. Hindi siya yung talagang ibabrush mo ng todo sa face mo kagaya nitong ginagawa ko. Dapat padampi-dampi or dadampiin mo lang siya dyan sa face mo para hindi sumabog yung itsura nung contour sa face and to avoid friction. Kasi kapag may friction dyan sa skin ng face mo, it promotes wrinkles and skin aging. And the last product na i-apply ko for underpainting technique is Cream Blush On from EC&Co in the shade Illicit. And guys, sobrang love ko yung cream blush on ni Easy & Co. Bakit? Kasi yung cream blush on nila is cool tone. Ano ibig sabihin kapag cool tone? So kahit ganito yung kulay niya, mukhang matapang. Kapag nilapat mo na siya sa mukha mo, hindi siya ganun ka pigmented, pero meron pa rin talaga siyang kulay dyan sa face mo. And yung pinaka-finish niya, parang lighten lang siya. Parang may pagka-powder na kasama. Kaya perfect to kapag no makeup look or doing makeup look, tayo makeup look as well. Kasi parang fresh-freshan lang yung atake. Next, papalitan ko na yung lip balm from Nivea ng lip gloss or plumber from Kim Yus. Like sa face ko, nagto-double prep din ako sa lips. So, yung lip therapy from Nivea, pag tapos na ako sa base makeup ko, bago ako mag-eyeshadow makeup, tatanggalin ko na siya kasi papalitan ko na ng Kim Yus lip plumber. Para mamaya sa lip makeup ko, plakado ang aking labi. Charis. Now, it's about time to matte those cream product. For contour, I will be using contour palette from O2O. Combine the cool and warm tone contour powder. Bilang isa naman akong neutral undertone. Charis. For my eye makeup, I will be using Mix and Match from Beauty Glaze. So, dun ako sa earth color. So, grab ko lang yung shade na to. By the way, hindi ko napakita sa video pero naglagay na ako ng base eyeshadow. I use warm brown eyeshadow. Then, yung parang may pagka-violet, nilagay ko lang siya dyan sa may pa-V outer eyelids ko. Then, blend lang hanggang sa mawala yung harsh line kasi ayaw natin ng harsh line. Sunod, same shade sa base eyeshadow ko. Kukunin ko to at ilalagay ko sa lower eye para magsiserve siya as my Aegyossal eyeshadow. Pero hindi ako maglalagay ng Aegyossal for today's makeup look kasi ang pinoportray ko dito is Filipina makeup look. Sure. Nang malapat na yung eyeshadow sa lower eyes ko, gumamit ako ng isang klaseng eye makeup brush to blend it para walang harsh line. And of course, for Gen Z era, eyeshadow makeup look is incomplete without adding a glitters on it. Also, I changed my eyeshadow makeup brush para mas makuha at malapat ko yung glitters dito sa mata ko. At maihulma ko rin kasi kailangan medyo may hulma siya, hindi dapat kalat-kalat. After eyeshadow, next is maglalagay na ako ng false eyelashes from JMCY. This is with self-adhesive na nakasama or with glue na siya. Wala to sa TikTok shop. Hindi ko pa na-check sa Orange App or Shopee kung available na ba to kasi may pros and cons yung product na to. Pros, syempre maganda siya, maganda sa mata, but yung cons, isang beses lang siya gagamitin. After nun, kailangan mo na gumamit ng lash glue. Hindi na siya glue-free. And guys, lahat ng ginamit kong product na to, meron akong separate video when I did unboxing and also test this product. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box. And this is how it looks like. This JMCY false eyelashes is very demure, very mindful. For my lippy, syempre tinanggal ko na yung Kim Yus lip gloss. So this is lip tint by Focallure with collaboration ng Sanrio. And yung shade ni Cinnamon Roll yung ginamit ko. And guys, this is the makeup brush that I use for this video. Actually, dope siya ng Happy Skin makeup brushes. Kaya kung gusto nyo nito, maglalagay ako ng link sa description box para sa aking TikTok shop at Ecomobi platform. And this is my complete makeup look. Aura lang ako. And guys, kung gusto nyo rin ng ganitong accessories, bags, and shoes, meron din link sa description box ko, kaya tignan mo na lang. And that's all for today's video. I hope you guys should like this video. Kaya kung nagustuhan nyo, please hit like. You can also leave a comment. And if bago ka lang sa channel ko, you can click subscribe and click notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos ko. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!